Hello everyone, this is Sameer Ansari and today I am showing a 3 BHK again in Runwal Symphony. This is the biggest 3 BHK in this entire area in tallest building of Santa Cruz. The hall is around 260 square feet, which is humongous compared to Mumbai. Just look at the view. You can see entire airport from here. This is the tallest tower in Santa Cruz. Building is Runwal and it's for rent. It's a proper L-shaped hall. Now we are going to the kitchen area. So the kitchen is also big, huge. The best part of this society is that this has balcony all around. Here you can dry your clothes, keep your washing machine. This is a blessing. Just look at the wind. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's very windy because this is facing towards the west side and in west you have Arabian Sea. So it's very windy. Just look at the massive hall. So this window especially is for cross ventilation. It's a French window, so you can enjoy the windows also. This is the smallest room, which is 12 by 11, in fact more than that. And again look at the balcony. Balcony in Mumbai is a luxury statement. It's an open view of the airport and it's monsoon time, so pretty nice. But in fact during the non-monsoon also the view is fantabulous. In fact in the night also the view is fantabulous. Look at the size. This is the smallest room, which is 125 square feet. Just imagine the smallest room. Hi, this is me, Sameer, back again. Just look at the washroom also. It's 8 by 4. Again the smallest washroom is 8 by 4, which is 32 square feet, which is huge compared to Mumbai market. And now in Samne you have a common washroom, which is 8 by 5, humongous washroom size. And now I'm taking you to the biggest room. And this is west facing. It's damn windy. I can't even tell you how windy it is. Again the balcony here. Massive balconies. Again an open view. No worry about anyone peeping inside your room. That's your western side, Arabian side. Slightly you can see a hint of a sea, like a sea line also from up. Now I'm showing you the master bedroom, which is 13 by 11. By the way, the other room was 14 by 11. So 13 by 11 room, again a balcony and a massive balcony. The washroom is also 4 by 5, decent size. Jesus' straight is outside your washroom. Just look at the view. Very nice view it is. So what are you waiting for? Just come and see this apartment. No restriction in the society. Pet friendly society. And by the way, I also stay in the same society, so I know each and everything. Yeah, it's very windy. I can't even tell you how windy it is. So we'd like to show you this apartment. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. Take care.